All right, we don't have to tell you, the second that you step outside right now in Las Vegas, it is summertime. But we have a way to beat that heat, and it's all thanks to Johnnie Walker RV. And Sheri Maloney is with us this morning from Johnnie Walker. Good morning, Sheri.
Good morning and welcome in. Glad to have you today.
Thank you for the invite out. I love being in the camping chairs because we have the campfire going, and in a little bit, we're gonna be toasting up something nice because we're gonna show off your chef skills in the kitchen.
The culinary kitchen is about to happen.
We got the right woman with us this morning to go through this. So let's start though, because I want to learn more about you, because you have been with Johnnie Walker for a while, and it kind of seems like it's almost like a family tradition for you to be here.
It is. My dad, Pat Maloney, came to work for the Walkers when I was a teenager and retired after 30 years. He kind of passed me his mantle, and I'm carrying on with the tradition. It's very much a family atmosphere here, and it's why you love to come to work every day.
And when you hear 30 years, that just makes one place that they've been at for so long a place that they really love. And that's the best part, because you want to work for a place that you love and share that love with the customers.
It really does have a better family atmosphere around here. Our service department, our managers, they've all been here for 30 years. Leanne, when you come in and purchase a trailer, she's our title clerk. She's been here for 30 years. We have longevity here. It really makes it a great family atmosphere.
And when you have that family-friendly experience, when you're with the customers and helping somebody out, there's a reason why you guys have been voted Best of Las Vegas award winners 4 times in a row, and possibly even more to come because the nominations are back open in August. What about Johnnie Walker just provides that best service?
You know, the family atmosphere here is what makes the biggest difference. We have the ability to come to work every day. We don't have high pressure sales. We know everybody that we work with. We know the Walkers are amazing people to work for. They treat us more like family than employees, and that makes it easier for us to treat our customers like family. We want our customers to come here and be part of the Johnnie Walker family.
And what's nice is the fact that it continues that care even after you've gotten the vehicle, because that after-service care is essential when you're working with somebody to get them on the road.
Exactly, and that's what we're really aiming to do, is to get you out and camping with your family, with your friends, beat that heat. We've got the best service center on this end of the universe as far as I'm concerned. That's why we get voted. Our service center is really who brings those customers back to us. Our return customer base is really important to us as a family operated business. Our service center gets you in and out as quickly as they possibly can. They want your family to have the best experience in your trailer that you could possibly have. When you're done with your sales experience, they take you out to our mock RV park at Lot 1. It's absolutely beautiful. It's our original store up there at 3700 Boulder Highway. We have full hookups, so after you're done with my part of it, you go to that service person. He is a certified tech. He'll take you through your coach from soup to nuts. So if you're a beginner, great. If you're an old hat at this, great. Every coach is different. He shows you where all your buttons are, how to work your sewer system, refrigerator, your slides, your leveling jack, and they make that experience so much better for you. And now this is the best part, the customer care doesn't stop there. We give you the opportunity to stay on that lot overnight in our overnight spaces and use all of that you just learned. You get to practice with us.
That's nice, because you, especially with beginners like myself, where I honestly don't know where to begin, you get that experience and you get that help to head out on the road and have some fun. And speaking of campfire experience, the best part about that is the s'mores, the food, everything about coming together with your family and friends. So I would love to check out this RV. You want to head inside and show us a recipe?
And cook something.
Perfect,
Okay.
Let's go. All right, Sheri, we're inside the kitchen, and I am so hungry because we had that campfire set up. Just makes me think about food, and you have something simple that we can make.
This is gonna be super simple, super easy, super quick. So you can do this so many different ways. I went the lazy route this time. I got some canned chili. Throw it in here, threw it in the microwave. You don't have to use the microwave. You can put it on this nice propane stove in this rear kitchen on this 2791 Evo. You can take it outside. You can put that can directly on your coals. Warm it up, works great. So we take our little bag of Fritos, put a little scoop of chili on there, a little bit, a lot of it. Then you can use shredded cheese. I've got some nacho cheese right here because that's what I had in the cabinet.
Delicious all around though.
Right? Now we're gonna do a little bit of healthy here, a little bit of shredded lettuce, That's how you
crunch. It'll have the crunch.
right. You sneak those veggies
To
in
go
on
with
the
the corn
kids.
chips.
Yep. Sneak the veggies in. A little bit of onion for a little extra crunch. A few of those olives. Then to keep it moist, we're going to put a little bit of salsa on top.
I'm salivating over here.
Oh, it is so awesome. This is so easy. And as you can tell, we don't have to have a plate.
Right.
You're not making a bunch of mess with pans. Stick a fork in
Oh
it
my
and
gosh.
walk away with your walking
And I gotta give you
taco.
props, by the way. The 4th of July display, it goes great with the theme because you're going on an adventure, especially for the holidays.
Holidays, 4th is
Let's
coming
try
up.
this out. I'm so excited.
It's delicious.
I'm gonna keep eating because this is so good.
You
I know-
enjoy it.
I know the crew is ready to come and
They are. We're
snack
gonna
on as
open
well.
more.
But we appreciate you being here with us, or me inviting me out to experience this quick and easy
Anytime.
dish. And you can also find the recipes online on Johnnie Walker's website. More information about this model, and you have such a fun campfire experience out with your family to beat that heat.
Absolutely. Get on out of town.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you.